got me so hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one is and you my girl. You're young and reckless, and I'll write your name.
I'm going to need another pair of pants. The one time as they start their descent rapidly, the third jumper you can see down below is inverted. She's upside down, ladies and gentlemen. See the one on the bottom, the two going forward, and now they separate and start their rapid descent.